Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be installing a Western Digital SN520 SSD in the Lenovo Thinkpad T480. Now, when buying one of these SSDs, you want to make sure that you have a B key right here. The SSD is going to be called a PCIe 3x2 SSE, since the factory WWAN slot in the T480 has a fin that goes right in here. Most M.2 SSDs you find in the market will not fit in the factory WWAN slot of the T480. Without further ado, let's get to it. As always, we start by removing the external battery. Next up, we get into our BIOS settings and disable the internal battery. Test it a few times to make sure power is disconnected, and we're good to go. There are 6 screws holding the lower cover on. Let's unscrew them. The screws on the lower cover are supposed to be held on by plastic clips, but one of them was already worn out here. Watch out for that. Next up, we undo the clips from one of the rear corners and work our way to the front. Then do it on the other side. Front is unseated, then we turn our attention to the rear edge. After that, we slide this a little downwards and take it off. This is the WWAN slot that we'll be installing the new SSD to. First, we remove the screw that Lenovo provided on the motherboard. Next, we slide the SSD in at an angle. Make sure it's correctly seated and press down. Reinstall the screw that you just removed. Done. I'd like to add that when you're buying an SSD, make sure you buy a card that has chips on one side only. There's not really that much space underneath for a two-sided card. Now that everything's done, reinstall the lower cover. Press down on the perimeter to lock the clips in place. Just like the T580, the rear ridge always needs a little more attention. Do a perimeter check to make sure everything's correctly seated, and tighten the screw. Don't forget to reinstall the external battery. Reactivate the internal battery by connecting a power supply. This one blinks, which means we're good to go. Boot it up, go to Device Manager, and under Disk Drives, make sure our new drive can be read. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more of these DIY guides, please feel free to hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I promise not to spam your feed with clickbaity thumbnails and the like. There should be some more DIY videos popping up right about now. If you're interested in any of them, feel free to click away. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.